Good morning. As I stated before, a little comparison with the GoPro Max in Hero mode and the Osmo Action. So right now all these are set up flat, Sony-like. So I'm going to basically show you real quick what that looks like, and then I'm going to enhance it myself, each one separately to see, give it the best option. Osmo's in 4K, 60 frames a second. GoPro's in the 1080 at 60. Why? Is that because if you got the Osmo Action, you're going to film in 4K if you got it, right? Mainly. So you do the best of each. So we'll see how much difference there are between the two. See which one you like better. Come on. Let's go back potty. Come on. My dog won't get off the deck. Come on, Lulu. Let's go. What are you doing? Come on. Let's go. Come on. So finally got a nice bright sunny day. Hopefully this comes out well. I've got a lot of shade going on here. See how it handles going in and out of the shade. I did notice on a couple of videos that the Max is white balance, or the way it adjusts is not as quick as others. Lulu, do some slow motion. So Osmo Action is on rock steady, and the Max is on its horizon leveling. So it's doing the best it can for stabilization. We'll do a little jog. The dog will chase me. All the flowers came off in the rain, but the bugs are back. Lots of bees and wasps. All right, I'm gonna switch it over to GoPro color and let the Osmo do its thing with regular, normal. Here we go, stand by. All right, so the Osmo Action is on its normal color. I put it at 2.7K, 60 frames a second. Maybe give me a little wider view. GoPro color, medium on the sharpness. EV is -0.05. Auto everything else, and again medium for sharpness. So let's see how this looks. Oh, for the GoPro, I have it's on back, the speaker. Again, sunny part, the shady part. How does it handle that transition? So one thing cool about the Max is you kind of get two cameras in one. You get a 360 and a GoPro, a dumbed down GoPro. It can't do like all the stuff a normal Hero 8 could do. But in the pinch, you got a regular GoPro. Because sometimes you don't always want that warped 360 look all the time. All right, Lulu, go. Go bathroom. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He's a buzz. Bumblebee's fighting with a regular bee. Are you gonna go to the potty or not? Alright, we're back. This time, only thing I changed was I put it in stereo mode for the GoPro. So we'll see how that sounds. If you prefer stereo, you're getting the back and front mixed together. This time the GoPro has front speaker. The picture, I can see myself on the Osmo. I can see myself on the GoPro. Of course, the Osmo, you get that very condensed small version. Again, the GoPro, you have a very wide view, but I look very dark right here. Let's see. The Osmo looks like it's really bright, and this has more of a white color. I don't know. Well, won't know till we get inside. This is a little bonus test. Obviously, one is a little more cropped than the other, so that should be a giveaway. But if you can guess which camera looks better, this is a little bonus test. Obviously, one is a little more cropped than the other, so that should be a giveaway. But if you can guess which camera looks better, one of them better look a lot better, like a lot better. So we'll do the same walk over here. Let's go. I should wear shoes because now it's muddy outside. See how they both handle the in and out of the light. This camera over here is on auto mode also. So which one looks better? It is so wet and nasty here in Maryland. It's non-stop rain. What do you think, Lou? And we'll do a little jock test. No doubt the Max will win this one. I'm gonna walk up and find my daughter. Emma, you up here? Dark room, not in there. Here. Sorry about the messy house. It is, what do you call this? Down the hall, dark room. Now 800. I don't like to go any much higher. So you're a lot darker. Whew. Outside, bright sunshine. I washed this truck, and then now Look at the pollen. All right. I told you that I ordered a GoPro 8 in the mail from Amazon used. Well, I got it just about 25 minutes ago. I bust open the box and I realized, wait a minute,